Good morning, children. Today we will learn what is division. Last class we learned multiplication, so today we will learn what is division. The definition of division is the action of separating something into parts or the process of being separated. And the symbol for division is this. Okay, what does the definition says? The definition says that it is the process or the action to separate something into small parts. Okay, so I'll try to explain it properly. In multiplication, last time I told you that what we do in multiplication is the repetitive addition, right? That is like 3 plus 3 is 6, so we do 3 into 2 is 6 to save our time, because 3 is the common number and there are two threes here, so we multiply by 2 and this is the answer, right? But in division, it is the breaking of the numbers in small parts. That is 6 divided by 3 is how much? That is, you have to find out how many times of 3 will make 6. So how will it be? 3 plus 3 is 6. So how many times 3 makes 6? It is 2 times, right? So answer will be 2. This is the difference between multiplication and division. In multiplication, we multiply like 3 plus 3, like last time I told you, 3 plus 3 plus 3 is how much? 9. But if we add them one by one, I told you it will take our time. So that's the reason we study multiplication table, right? So the common number here is 3 into how many 3's? 3, and that is the answer. But in division, we have to find out like 9 divided by 3 means how many times of 3? How many times 3 will make 9? How many times? 1, 2, 3. So answer is 3. This is the difference. It is the opposite. Multiplication and division are opposite to one another. In multiplication, you multiply, you add up all these things. This is multiplication. But in division, you have to split them into parts. Like how many times this 3 will make 6? How can you split the 6? How many times can you split the 6? Taking 3. So answer will be 2, right? 3 plus 3, 2 times of 3 will make 6. Okay, so we'll try to solve some questions to understand it better. The question here is 9 divided by 3. So we have to find out how many times of this 3 will make 9. How many times? So I told you, here is the example here. How many times 3 makes 9? 3 times, right? 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 makes 9. So 3 times of 3 makes 9. So answer will be 3, right? So here you have to find out how many times 2 will make 10. So 2 plus 2 is 4, right? And then plus 2 is 6. Plus 2 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. So how many times does 2 makes 10? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. So answer is 5. This is just an example. You don't have to write this, okay? The answer is 5. I was just trying to show you how many times of 2 will make 10. So 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 8 plus 2 is 10. So 5 times of 2 makes 10, and this is what you have to find out, okay? Okay, question number 3. 15 divided by 5. How many times 5 will make 15? It will be 3 times, okay? See, I will show you here. 5 plus 5 is 10, and plus 5 is 15. So 1, 2, 3. 3 times of 5 makes 15. So you have to write 3 times. Okay, very simple, right? And 21 divided by 7. How many times 7 will make 21? How many in multiplication? How much will make 21? 7 into 1 is 7. 7 into 2 is 14. 7 into 3 is 21. So answer is 3. See, the benefit of studying multiplication table is that you can solve any kinds of multiplication question. Also, you can solve any question related with division. Okay, so if you by heart multiplication table, you can solve any question of multiplication and division. So it will become easy for you to solve any question. Okay, so that is why I'm telling you to memorize the multiplication table at least till 10. Okay, so this was the division. I'll tell you once again, in multiplication we shorten the questions, like 3 plus 3 is 6, so 3 into 2 is 6. We try to shorten it, right? But in division, you have to find out how many times, if you add 3, how many times will it make 6? And that is what you have to find out in division. And that is what we did here. 9 divided by 3. 3 times of 3 will make 9. And 5 times of 2 will make 10. So answer is 5. This is our answer. And 15 divided by 3, how many times? 3. 5, if we add 5 3 times, then it will make 15. And how many times does it make is what you have to find. So it is the same here. 21 divided by 7, how many times 7 will make 21? But if you remember multiplication table, you can just write it easily, because 7 into 1 is 7, 7 into 2 is 14, 7 into 3 is 21. So you have to write this 3 here. See, it becomes easy if you memorize multiplication table. Okay, that's it for today's class. We'll try to solve more questions in our coming days, but for you to understand better, I want you to solve some question and also show me, so that I will know how far you have understood today's class. Okay, so for your home assignment, solve these 4 questions and please show me, so that I can keep a track on you. Okay, till then, bye bye, thank you.